Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with yo instant noodles. It's still snowing and it seems to be starting to accumulate outside, which is rad. I'm stoked on that. So, and children seem to still be screaming and dying possibly outside. I really don't know what's going on, folks, but it's loud. And today I've got one from Japan. This is a Nagatanien Tom Yum Gung Vermicelli, and it came in an umai crate. You get one of these with an umai crate. This is the one from July. I know, but it's still good until May. Tom Yum Kung. Enjoy the two worlds of hot and sour with Tom Yum this season. With notes of pakuchi, coriander, and lemongrass, the Japanese take on Thai fried noodles will leave your stomach full and taste buds satisfied. So basically, how long do I do it for? When the noodles are soft. That's my favorite. Okay, so I'm gonna get this going and see if you can see that. I'm guessing you can. Yeah. So here are vermicelli. Vermicelli over here. So I'm curious to hear how many big accidents there end up being. Hopefully not a lot, but you know, it's Washington State. And Washington State tends to not do so well with, what do you call it? Driving in the snow. And here we go. We're gonna add some, where's the goo? Oh, it's in the bag. The goo. You gotta have goo. Life goes better with goo, doesn't it? Goo! Or paste, or sauce, or wet prep. I don't know. Or turn it down, not catch myself on fire. Now, what's odd is in the umai crate stuff, it mentions adding bacon, and this and bacon sounds absolutely hideous. So what I'm gonna add is, I mean, pork tom yum is not an alien, odd thing that does not exist anywhere. These are getting about done. I'm going to add in some chashu. Now mind you, this is one that they're telling you to add stuff into, and this is like bacon, so. But I'm not gonna, I think I can pick out that flavor. Spring onion, mung bean sprout. I'm gonna add some small child screaming his head off in the distance. That's my small child. Hey, my small child, shush. Keep looking over there to see if the snow is coming down any harder. My wife mentioned she was on her way home, and that was a few minutes ago, so either she's stuck in traffic or she's gonna walk through the door any second. Hopefully the latter. I like that better. More. think we're about there. It's a pretty easy and quick preparation. But yeah, I'm sure in tomorrow's reviews I'll be telling you all about all the insanity that happened last night and people getting stuck in traffic, running out of gas on I-5 and 405, getting dumped with snow with 4-foot drifts. If Cliff Mass, the weather genius, if he knows what he's talking about, that's probably what we're going to hear about. He was saying... She made it. Excellent. Alright, we are all done. So let's turn off the heat here. Grab a plate. What I think is funny is that they mention adding bacon to this, and it has a picture of shrimp on the package, but I'm okay with that. That sounds fascinating enough to me. That gets my hackles up slightly. Alright, so... Noodle, huh? I will give it a try. It's vermicelli time. If you want to call that a Japanese take on Tom Yum. I wouldn't be so mean to Japan. Not my thing. I mean, it's interesting. I'll give it that. But it's kind of wrong. Anyways. Pretty much put in everything I would think to put into it. It's got a little hint of spiciness to it, some sweetness. I see where they're coming at with the lemongrass, but it's just kind of got this faked out sweetness that just doesn't seem to belong. There's some fried onion. Chowie. Black sesame seeds. Now it's classy. Black sesame seed. And I think, just because it's been an umai crate, I'm going to use more of this habanero stuff. And let's give it some rotation. Yep. Interesting. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Boy, it's starting to really come down, it looks like. Some heavy wet snow. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow to do some more junk like this. So, alright. Have a good one. Bye.